Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about the upgrade to Windows 10. As you can see, I'm on a Windows 7 machine. Soon it will upgrade to Windows 10. Windows 10 is going to be released to the general public on July 29th. The beta test version is out and has been out. From the results of that, it looks like that this is going to be a very successful operating system. If you hadn't done it yet, go ahead and run Windows updates until it says no more updates are available. After that, you should see, if you don't already, this icon down in the corner that looks like a Windows Start menu icon for the new Windows 8 operating system. If you go ahead and click on that, it's going to bring up this screen and it'll ask you to reserve your copy of Windows 10, and that will be in this area right here. I've already went ahead and done this, so it has already gone through and tested my system. As you can see by the report, my system is fully capable of running Windows 10. I don't imagine that many people out there are going to have an issue with this. I believe that they've done a very good job with bringing this this update out, this new operating system, and testing it. It's been tested on a variety of different kinds of systems, and they've done a very good job in making sure that everyone is going to be able to upgrade to this. They want you to upgrade to this, so they done whatever they needed to do to make it possible, pretty much. So once you've reserved your copy, there's really nothing more you need to do except for wait until you become notified that Windows 10 is available for you to download and install. Now, the one thing I will say is that you should back everything up. All your pictures and all your documents, back all that stuff up, because it is an upgrade. It will take some time. And there is an option in the setup process to keep files in folders or keep nothing. I would suggest keep nothing, only after you back everything up though. Keeping nothing will do a clean install of Windows. It will be a fresh install. You won't have all the bit rot that happens from the years of installing, uninstalling, deleting, adding, moving, things like that. Most people will find that doing it that way, doing the clean install, keep nothing option, will cause their system to run much better. It is a decent program, and I do have Windows 10 installed on another system, and I will give you a little look at that here in a minute. Okay, here we are in Windows 10, and it does have a different look and feel to it. The first thing you're going to notice is that there's a bar down here. You can actually ask the system anything. There's a program called Cortana. She'll search your system or the internet for things. When you click on the Start menu, which is down here in this corner once again, you can see that you have your program files and other files down here. And you can customize this as well. You also have your tiles over to the side, and the more you add here, they just go straight down, so there's no worry that eventually it will take up this whole entire screen. That's not going to happen. They've done a decent job at bringing these in. You can see all apps here. This will bring up all your applications that you have on your folders. It's like the all programs on Windows 7. Play around with this, have fun with it. It is better. They've completely reinvented Internet Explorer. It is not Internet Explorer anymore. It's called Edge, and it's got a completely different look and feel to it. It is actually a completely different web browser. It is not Internet Explorer with a makeover. I'm not going to sit here and say that this is a great web browser, because I don't know. It looks and feels like the web browsers that we know, like the Google Chromes and the Firefox, but I don't know. So Play around with it. If you like it, fine. If not, you have other options. You always have other options. As you can see, I have Chrome here on this system. And like I said, if you don't know where something is, you just can start typing. See, you just start typing and it'll automatically start populating. I typed in note. I was looking for notepad. You have sticky notes. You have notes. Then under the store, this is going to go out to the Microsoft Store. Then you have documents that you have on your system already. I've been using this for a while, so I do have some documents. It is pretty functional. You want to search for food? Search for food. The search is both on your system, network, and on the internet. So search is really nice. You want to search for people or whatever. Here it is. Then there's Cortana. What is the weather today?
The forecast shows sun with a high of 85.
As you can see, it brings up the weather. It's going to be kind of warm today. I have not played around with Cortana all that much, but it seems to work for things like the weather. Hey Cortana, where can I buy a baseball? You can just say, hey Cortana, and it does, close that out. And it will start listening, and you can ask it a question. Where can I buy a baseball? Dick's Sporting Goods. That's right down the road for me. So, yeah. Go ahead and play around with it. Have fun with it. I think people will be surprised and pleasant with what Windows 10 has to offer them. Alright, thank you and have a great day.